Welcome to Backyard Pizza Lab, where today we're firing off our first pizza in the new Ooni Koda 2. We're going with the lab classic, pepperoni and hot honey. Let's see what this thing can do. We started with my favorite Neapolitan-style classic pizza dough, cold proof for 72 hours. Got it out of the proofing box, floured the board, and gave it a good old stretch. This dough gives you a delicious bready crust that's just perfect for the high heat of the Ooni. We're topping this one with a classic red sauce, whole milk mozzarella, pepperoni slices, and a little bit of caramelized onion. Made the final adjustments, added some toppings as needed, and it's ready to be fired. Launched clean into the Koda 2, stone temp was just about 850. Started a timer and we're off to the races. Let's see how long this one takes. Right off the bat, I could tell the larger cooking area and tapered flame were going to make a huge difference in my bake. They gave me an even rise, great crust, and a perfect bottom char. Oops, got a little hot there. Gonna turn down the flame a bit just so nothing burns. And check in. We're almost there, but not quite. Everybody knows patience is key to perfect pizza. And boom, look at that. 65 seconds later and we're done. A perfectly baked first pizza in the Ooni Koda 2. Now we just need to top it with some Parmesan, Pecorino Romano, and a little bit of that sweet hot honey drizzle. This is easily the most balanced bake I've had right out of the box. If the Koda 12 is all about simplicity, the Ooni Koda 2 is all about precision. The tapered flame and larger cooking surface are awesome for dialing in these perfect pies. Happy to report, it tastes as good as it looks. Well, the first bake's in the books. If you want to upgrade or build your own backyard pizza lab, check out the link below. It helps the channel and supports the lab. Don't forget to subscribe to Backyard Pizza Lab and let me know what you want to see next.